Patrick, how's it going?
Good.
You want to get a little intro to the camera and kind of your background, business, revenue-wise, where you guys are at?
Patrick, I own two businesses, Next Level Mowing and Next Level Install. Revenue-wise, between the two is about 1.4 last year.
Awesome. Yeah. And that was for your install side?
No,
or
both.
for both?
Both.
Correct.
Yeah, combined.
And then, how was like business? How was life before you obviously got in contact with us and started Blue Collar?
Just winging it for the most part. I just kind of wanted to narrow down like how to avoid mistakes sooner. Like, don't get me wrong, I always adapt. It seemed like it was constantly wall after wall.
Right. Yeah, 100%.
Like wall after wall.
Like just obstacle after obstacle, or you felt like you were doing what was right, or like the SOPs and stuff like that. Like, and in the back of my mind, I was like, yeah, I need to do that. Like, just never.
We got a business. We just got to figure out the
like
details
we just figured
within
out
that to
there's
be
this
confident.
much money left, and it feels more organized.
100%. Awesome. Yeah, and then like, how did this impact you, your business, and your family?
Like how you were feeling before.
Before or now?
Before. Like the stress of business.
Just feeling like I'm working around the clock. Like, especially like, obviously it's no one's fault but mine to have two businesses, but I've always worked like 3 jobs before I owned a business, and it's like I want to go. Just felt like there was nothing left after that for like the kids or the
and just the
spouse.
difference for like residential versus commercial. Like, you were confident in commercial, but
Yep.
residential was somewhat new to you.
Yep.
So just obviously like the struggles of kind of what that felt like, knowing commercial, but having a second business, you're starting a second business with residential.
Correct. Yeah.
So what were you skeptical about? Like, what was in your head before you obviously bought Blue Collar?
So I did like a website design place that was supposed to do like marketing and the website, and like I was like a handyman service in California.
Classic.
And then I was like, I can't remember what it was, but like a store in Minnesota, whatever. So like I like going into something that's paid like that. Like, I was really skeptical in general. Like, I just didn't know what to think. Like, so I just started watching all your guys' reels.
And then like what kind of made you said like, fuck it, let's do it?
Logan. I could relate to like being like psychotic or like just all into everything. Like, I'm exactly like that. Like with one business, and then it got to a point that like that business pretty well sustains itself other than one-off jobs.
Right.
And so then like I'm like, all right, now let's do this one, you know.
Right.
I'm just, there's no stopping for me. Like, if they were both great right now, I'd figure out something else to do.
Right. And how's life now?
It's a lot smoother.
Confidence.
It's that confidence is quite a bit more. Yeah,
Tasks,
for sure.
knowing what to do going forward with
Setting the right task,
Yes.
letting those people do those things. I brought in my spouse full time, like,
which has been huge for you.
she's
the back end
35
management.
hours a week.
Yeah.
She's all about like all like the videos and this and that. She's just like, she used to be a model, so she's like all on it. Like,
Awesome. Everyone needs that.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Well, hey, thank you.
Appreciate it.
We're crushing.